Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start one more story that is in your book Gems English Reader, page number 68. There we are going to start the story Meenu and Kitty. So there is a girl named as Meenu and there is a Kitty. Kitty means little kitten. Cat is the elder one and the little ones are called kitten or kitty. As we call pup as puppy, so kittens are also called very with love and care. We called the kitten as kitty. There was a little girl. Her name was Meenu. Now Meenu, you will say, ma'am, here it is written M-I-N-O-O. When there will be double O, the sound will be oo. Okay, the sound will be like oo or u. Okay, like B-double-O-K. What does it sound? Book. C-double-O-K. Cook. B-double-O-T. Boot. So double O makes oo sound. Okay. Now come. Her name was Meenu. She is a girl. Meenu had a little kitten. Look, kitten is the little one of cat. Her name was Kitty. So the little kitten was also a girl, female. Meenu loved Kitty. Kitty loved Meenu. Meenu always gave milk to Kitty in a bowl. Now what is written bowl? Little means small, you know. Bowl is a round shaped pot. Okay? With which we eat curry and milk and so on. So bowl is like a round shaped pot in which we eat. Next, Meenu always gave milk to Kitty in a bowl. One day, Meenu got milk for Kitty. So one day, Meenu got some milk in the bowl for Kitty. Kitty was not there. That means Meenu cannot find Kitty. Where was Kitty? Meenu put down the bowl and started looking for Kitty. So what does it mean, looking for? Looking for means seek. Looking for. That means find or seek. Find or seek. S-double-E-K. Not S-I-C-K. S-I-C-K, seek means eel. But S-double-E-K, seek means find. Okay, as you play now, hide and seek, that's seek. Okay, next. Kitty was not there. Meenu looked behind the cupboard. Behind, you already read the pronouns. Behind means what? What is in your backside or opposite to your eyes. That is behind. So, Meenu looked behind the cupboard. Kitty was not there. Meenu looked inside the clothes basket. Inside means in. Okay? Inside means in. Like there is ink inside the pen. Okay? Inside means in. So, basket means, what does it mean? Basket, one type of container where we keep clothes. So Meenu also found there, but there is not Kitty. Meenu looked under the table. So look how many prepositions are given to suggest or indicate the position. So place, suggesting the place. In preposition we already read the place, direction, time we read. So this in the text is basically based on the prepositions. So many prepositions are given. Meenu looked under the table. Meenu looked everywhere. Kitty was nowhere. So look, Meenu could not find the kitty. Where was Kitty? Then Meenu heard Kitty's voice. Mew mew. So as we know, the cat sounds like mew mew. Meenu looked up. Up is also one adverb and also one preposition. You will be knowing about this in your higher classes. There you are on the top of the cupboard. So cupboard is one kind of almirah or closet. Okay, where we keep our washed clothes. Okay, in basket we put our dirt clothes, but in cupboard we put our washed clothes. We don't put our dirty clothes in almirah. Okay, almirah means almari. In Bengali it's almari. but we keep the dirt clothes or dirty clothes in the basket. So there you were on the top of the cupboard. You naughty little kitten, you want to come down now? Minu asked. Then mew mew sound she already created. So Kitty answered. Answered how? Kitty does not speak. Kitty cannot speak. So she will create some sound to indicate that she is willing to come down, but she can't. Kitty answered, what should I do? What should I do? Minu thought. Then Minu was very small, so it was impossible for her to reach to the top of the cupboard. So what did she done? Then Minu had an idea. So Minu used her brain. She brought one stool. Minu raised her arms and brought Kitty down. So look, in picture also the stools are given. First one small stool is there with which Minu come to the top of the longer stool, and then she reached to the Kitty to put her down. Minu hugged Kitty. I love you, Kitty. Kitty purred softly. Purred means created one soft sound. Mew mew. I love you too, Minu. So she created a sound mew mew as if she is also willing to tell Minu that I love you too. So in the previous Jojo's pet, in the previous one also, when we are reading about one pet story, there is one pet that is Tweety. She is also creating the sound tweet tweet. So look, the pets are also willing to speak, but they can't. We have that superpower to converse with words, but they cannot create any words. They create only sounds. But if we love them, we can understand their sounds. Then Kitty purred mew mew. I love you too, Minu. Kitty jumped out of Minu's arms. Kitty began to lap up the milk in the bowl. So she started drinking the milk by lapping up. Okay. So this is the story. This is very easy story. The question answers and the word meanings, the antonyms I will give you in your WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.